Hello there, I'm Valeria. I'm a senior creative designer. I started work in Adikteev 3 years ago in March 2022, and I was a full remote worker from Turin. And the work life in Adikteev is completely different from the work life in Turin. That's also why I decided to do the big step and move to Paris and work from here. I didn't find just colleagues, I found also friends, and that's also one of the big reasons that pushed me to move. As a senior creative designer, I'm designing the creatives, which is really like the window of the company. It's really what the clients are seeing, so it's very concrete and tangible. And one of the best part of my job actually it's doing a workshop with them. It's one of the best part because you can totally have a right feedback of what I'm doing, and it's very nice. Apart from this, it's also very nice to do the brainstorm part with my team. We like to share feedbacks and to take feedbacks, and this is also very engaging and very funny. Whenever I feel stuck, I always like to ask to my team what they think about something that I'm working on, and this is really one of the best part. We are very a nice and united team. Since now I'm in the office, what I really like to do is just walk in, say hello or ciao, of course, and grab a little coffee, chat with the others. I always find someone that I can chat with. And since we have a beautiful terrace, I love to work from there. But since, of course, I'm a designer, it's very tough because I need a big screen. So just for little moments. Since now we have the 4.5 policy in Adikteev, I started also to learn a new instrument, the saxophone. It's very nice. I have a lesson every Friday afternoon, so this is it was a nice opportunity. Aside from that, I really try to be a point of reference inside my team. I like that the others can find in me someone very approachable and sincere. Since I moved, I've been taking a lot of challenges that actually things that I could never imagine I could do. Well, for example, also moving around Paris with my motorbike, which is not so simple. And of course, like the team and the environment really helps me to develop in every area of my personal interests.